Happy Sunday!
And we are off on the west side of the island, taking a family birthday boat ride for my mom's birthday. Here we are playing hot potato with a water bottle. We had to be extra careful for the water bottle to not fly off the boat so we didn't litter, because the front of the boat is open and we were just chilling on these net things in the front. It was truly the place to be, the front of the boat on the nets. Sitting, chilling, laughing, talking, playing.
We're about to dock at the beach. Just take a swim. Better take a swim.
Here we're docking at this beach. I don't know what the beach is called, but it looks like you could only get there by boat, unless you lived near there. But before we get off the boat and swim and have fun, we took a picture. I honestly don't know how the picture was taken. I don't remember, because the guy in the front is holding his phone. I feel like there was a drone or something, but then one of the people working the boat. And here I almost lost my camera by stepping on the net. And now we're exploring. We saw some sea urchins, which was really cool, but also scary, because it's what if we stepped on one of those? But it was really cool to see. I've never seen a sea urchin in its natural habitat before.
I know. I hope we see dolphins too.
And now we're heading back. We sadly did not see any dolphins on the way back. And then we pulled into this bay. It was so beautiful. I think those are villas or resorts. Whatever they are, they're really pretty. Anywho, back to the scheduled programming of the boat day. And here we can see one of the Sandals resorts. I believe there are 2 Sandals resorts in St. Lucia, and this is one of them. You can see from the water. And that concludes the boat ride. Happy Sunday!